Today, actually, this is not a storybook, so I won't be reading any parts of it or the whole thing. This is a book about maps. It is called All About Maps. Think of that. Amazing activity book. Fun facts, mazes, games, and brain teasers. I think those little boxes are for the stickers, so probably some of the 120 stickers that are included. More maps, because it's a map book. How to use a map grid. So they are really getting into all of this about maps. Scavenger hunt. Okay. Have you ever went on a scavenger hunt? Did you like it?